to. The rain was falling on your window, streetlights dancing in your eyes. We were young enough to believe nothing beautiful could die. Your hand was warm inside my jacket, your laughter echoed through the dark. Every word became a memory, every touch left its mark. The city faded all around us like we were the only two alive. Back when forever felt so easy, back when love could survive. Tell me where the years have gone.
Tell me why we're holding on
to ghosts beneath the summer rain. Take me back to the nights we stole, when your heartbeat felt like home, when the stars aligned above our heads and we swore we'd never let go. Now I'm screaming through the pouring rain, trying to find your light again. But all that's left are photographs in pain. You're still my last summer rain. You're still my last summer rain. Every road leads back to nowhere, every song still says your name. I've been running from the silence, but the memories remain. The letters fade, the colors vanish, but your shadow won't disappear. I hear your voice inside the thunder, like you're somehow still here.
Can you hear me?
Can you feel me?
Somewhere beyond the stars,
Take me back
to the nights we stole, when your heartbeat felt like home,
when the stars aligned above our heads.
we swore we'd never let go. Now I'm screaming through the pouring rain, trying to find your light again.
But all that's left are photographs in pain. You're still my last summer rain. I held on to every word you said. I carried your ghost inside my head. The sky keeps falling,
The walls keep calling,
but I do it all again.
all again. Take me back to the nights we stole,
When your heartbeat felt like home,
when the stars aligned above our heads.
and we swore